Dear all, Namaskar. A person's tongue can give you a taste of his heart. It's a really good proverb. We can understand one's heart through his tongue, both physically and mentally. We are made up of 5 elements. Each element have its own inner and external sensory organ. Here, heart is one of the vital and king organ. Our tongue is a external sensory organ of our heart. Whenever we feel any discomfort, any uneasiness, any pain, whatever it may be, it is a first signal, warning signal from our heart to us. Here we have to give more attention to our heart. Once we know this small secret, we can escape from all other heart related issues. This is a real prevention. Okay, now we will discuss different type of ailments. First, physical tongue appearance. Ulcerative tongue, tongue bumps, swollen tongues, fissured tongue, itchy tongues, tasteless tongue. Finally, abnormal appearance in color. Basically, our tongue colors are light pink color. When it is apart from this color, either it may be a dark red or black or yellow, white, whatever it may be, here also we should give attention to our heart. Now we will discuss about the mentally related issues. First one is, when our heart is imbalanced, it will affect psychologically. We can realize it through our tongue. That is, first one is biting tongue while eating or drinking or talking with someone. Second one is messing up or stuttering while talking with others or strangers. Third one is instant stammering in front of some audience or any stages or some other strangers. Fourth one is excess and as well as too much of talk with others unknowingly, unwantedly. Fifth one is talking lonely. Here I am not talking about prayer and autosuggestion. We can experience, we can see in somewhere in somebody's, they will talk lonely, they will argue with himself or argue with someone lonely. These kind of psychological and mental issues are because of heart imbalance only. Here also we should take care of our heart first instead of taking counseling from psychiatric and psychologist. Okay, now we'll talk about what is the causes of these kind of physically and mentally issues. First and foremost thing is taste. In classical acupuncture, each and every organ have its own taste. As well as it is one great rule is there, that is mother and son rule. According to this rule, our liver is mother of our heart and our spleen is son of our heart. Sour and sweet tastes are both of them. Here we have to reduce the taste which we are consuming more. Either it may be sour or it may be sugar for 2 to 3 days. Here, second cause is absent in bitter taste. Yes, our heart's own taste is bitter. How many of we are taking bitter taste regularly? I hope hardly 5 to 10% of people taking bitter taste now and then, not in regular basis. We must avail the bitter taste regularly. It also comes under wholesome diet, wholesome taste. We can get it from vegetables such as bitter gourd, bitter cucumber, spinaches, fenugreek, even green tea also have a bitter taste. As well as we can have neem, tender neem leaves now and then. Till now we can see in village areas our elderly peoples are using the neem stick for brushing up themselves. Third cause is we should not eat either very hot or very chilled foods. It will directly affect our tongue as well as our digestive tract too. Also it will collapse our digestive juice. Fourth one is watching excess monitor. It may be TV, computer, laptop, iPad and mobile, whatever it may be. When we are seeing in more than a limit, it will directly affect our heart. It's a very dangerous thing. You won't believe, after the revelation of TV invention, the heart patients are increasing more if compared with before. Now we will discuss about remedies. The first and foremost remedy is oil pulling. Yes, we have to take oil pulling. Gingerly oil is cooling nature. In acupuncture terms, whatever it happen within our mouth, we are calling it excess heat or heat imbalance. In Ayurveda, it's called excess pitta dosa. Here we have to take oil pulling in empty stomach 15 to 20 minutes for 2 to 3 days. Second remedy is gargling with salt and lukewarm lemon water 5 to 10 minutes for 2 to 3 days. Third one is acupressure point. The point is located in both hands because acupuncture is bilateral. This point name is heart 8. It's heart meridian's one point. It means horary point. See this picture clearly. Also, it's one commanding point among 5. Press this point 1 to 2 minutes clockwise in empty stomach or in your bedtime 2 to 3 days regularly. It will give the good relief to the all tongue related issues as well as heart too. Yes, this is the only permanent root cause solution for all above said tongue related physical and mentally issues. I hope you all are understand the different type of tongue related issues and psychological related problems through the tongue and its causes, remedies as well as acupressure point. Use this point and share this message with your near and dear. We will meet next video with a new syllabus. Until be healthy, happy, feel good. Thank you for watching this life lesson patiently. Thank you so much.